what will be my difference between two genders? Is that what you're saying? Or I'll just give a scenario?
Sir, kindly repeat your question so that candidate number 17 will follow and fully understand it, okay?
Check, check. Okay. Here is your question, okay. If time comes that the gays were able to rule the world or this country by the succeeding year, or let's say by the year 2020, would you give us differences that our country would be?
Oh, you're asking if gays will dominate our country?
Yes, ganito na lang,
If
pasimplingin
time
natin.
comes,
Pasimplingin natin, okay? Kung mabigyan ng pagkakataon ang sinasabi natin ng mga homosexual o gays na makapamuno sa ating bansa, ano yung may mapakita natin pagbabago na kung saan hindi natin nakikita sa ngayon dito sa ating pamahalaan?
Alright, so what change would I want to see? Alright.
yes.
Right. First, and also, I'll just give a scenario for two genders. What is the difference if gay will be the leader of this country? Right? Alright. Well, thank you so much for that very wonderful question. Honorable judges, I was advised that the criteria for judging for us to have the top 5 winners is 50% talent and 50% intelligence. I would just like to make things clear. Right. So also, let me answer that question as briefly and as precisely as I can without using any punchline or memorized answer. Because doing so, that would be the lowest form of intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year 2012, by the way, let me just ask you one big question. Let me start it this way. Have you ever seen a gay man living in the streets, dying for hunger, with no clothing to wear? Nakakita na po ba kayo ng isang bakla na naglalakad sa lansangan, walang saplot at namamatay sa gutom? Tell me. You know why, ladies and gentlemen? Because we gays are doing our best to have a beautiful and successful life. The same goes if we would be the leader of this country. Therefore, we'll do our best for us to obtain and to have what we are longing for, and that is a better Philippines. That will be all. Thank you so much.